Hello everyone. In this lecture, we're going to process the form data for this account page here by using PHP and MySQL. And the first thing what we need to do is to open up the text editor, and we copy out of this file on this account page. We select our this file and Control C to copy. We open a new file and paste that here, and set the file to a user folder inside eCommerce CMS. To show a folder here, and let's call this change password .php. Let's save the file, and we come back to edit account.php file C. We go to at the top of form field, change name here. All we need to do to remove change name field here, and we come back to bottom of the current password field here. All we need to do is to select new password to address field here, and remove that. What's the main in edit account page? Let's set to send email and current password field, and we go to input type equal submit, and name attribute is equal register. Then you change it to edit account, and value we change it to save, and let's save the file. We come back to a web browser and we load a page. As you see, set a change email and current password field has delay. Now we're ready to start pressing the form data for this account page. We come back to edit account page here, and the if statement here. We need to change this to edit account. Here is edit account here. And let's take away this if statement here. Remove, and remove this. Check if email account. First else statement. If and name is email. We also remove it. Has work confirm password image address, and set issue remove all. Just this email. on we need to add another statement here L. Let's take away this big code here, and we are on the L statement here. We add page page user here. We are just need to copy this variable and we come back here and play that. If page password not equal hash password, and so check where this big code, and so delete. You say hash password here. This is post password. We go to current password. We just need to copy this current password and password. We decide current password equal post current password and hash password. We also change this to current password. If page user password not equal current password, we echo JavaScript text and inside shift text we add our method. And some text your current password is wrong. And on the else statement we update using update statement. Let's do that by setting a variable update email and equals MySQLi query variable constant. We inside a double quote we use update statement. Let's type update and user set email equals variable email, and go ahead put where statement id equals section user id. We sum down line and push if statement. If update email, we do something, and if update email we echo scripted. Inside shift text we It shows you our last method, and AI test that we will display on a web browser. This time your email was updated and successfully. And after that, we will rest to hiring page by using window open method. This time echo script. So close it. And inside our subset we use window dot open and window dot location dot href shell. Window location dot href method is will open current URL, current address. Now, let's set up file and test it out. We come back to our web browser, reload that, and let's try by fill out send email admin here. We are change it to admin 2 and current password. Password that's you have created on your account. This case my current password admin. Let's say on a save button. You say appear dialogs. Your email was updated successfully, and exchange. It will revert open current URL here, and also admin 2. Let's try again. We change it to admin 3 and current password. Also admin, and we this on a save button. You say it has changed to admin 3. You change it to admin 4 and use current password. And the password đó là and we let's try again on a save button. Admin 3. We try again. Admin. Sorry, your email admin. Try something here. Set a file. So let's show 4. Set a file. We come back to just password first user. If echo your current password will That's it. Let's found a problem here because I forgot to put a single quote here. Should I should put a single quote after exclamation mark here and save the file. We are come back to a web browser and below the page and your current password is wrong here up here and let's say change it to admin 4 and let's say wrong password here gives and click on save button. Let's see up here your current password is wrong. We change it to admin and give it a correct password admin. I save the file again. You see your email were updated successfully. We will stop right here. Thanks for watching and see you next week out.